so welcome back to Betha's Corner. My corner? Our corner. Guys, I'm so excited today. Let me tell you, I'm starting this vlog with like great energy, positive vibes, and I'm just hoping that it goes through till the end of this vlog because I'm excited. Okay, guys, today is Wednesday. What's today's date? Hold on, let me check today's date. Today is the 7th of December, and I am really excited because today I'm doing something I have never done in my life. I mean, I'm going to record a song. I know how you guys always tease me, Betha, you need to hit the studio, because when I'm going through my off key, you're always very excited, especially on my other channel. But you know, I thought to start with you guys first. I thought to start with this channel first, just because I feel like you guys share a more closer space with me. Today I'm going to record a song for Betha's Corner. I don't know what the song is going to be about yet, but I'm so excited. I'm looking forward to it. So I had spoken to a friend of mine, you know, whilst we were still in school and everything, and I talked to him about, how I would love to have a song, you know, a theme song for my channel. And he's like, oh yeah, I can hook you up with somebody, you know. So he did that. He hooked me up with, you know, someone, and you know, I'm going there today to do a song. Guys, I'm so happy. I'm really happy about this, and I'm so looking forward to it. I know my voice is always off key, so whatever I give you people, you're gonna take it, okay? Because the guy has actually done the beats, you know, from what he told me. He has done the beats. He just wants me to put my voice on it. Like, put your voice on it. And I'm so excited. Like, oh my god, like, I'm really nervous. I'm excited at the same time, but I'm nervous because, you know, my voice is not all that when it comes to singing. But you know, I'm gonna do it for you guys. I'm gonna do it for you guys. So whichever way it comes out, you all better take it like that and know that I put in a lot of effort, okay? Yeah, I'm really excited. I just thought to start this vlog, so let's go and make music. Let's go make music.
Let us go now. My corner, our corner, yeah.
It's gone.
Otilo. Yeah, killing it. Onago collect.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
To my YouTube community.
Hello, Bethans.
Oh, Betha.
Bethans. Yes, that's me.
Guys, my friend has left me and has jackpot.
Yes.
I don't know if you guys remember, I think in one of my vlogs I mentioned that one of my friends was traveling, that she was leaving, and I went to get a gift for her. I did not disclose the gift, so they don't know what the gift is.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because I got two things.
The cutest handbag. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to rock it.
Bella is so cold. She's been complaining of the cold. So we're having a meeting. We're actually having a Google meeting actually. So as much as she's my friend, we are talking a lot of work things and plenty things. Related. I swear. So yeah, guys, if you don't know who Yemi is, you need to start thanking her, because she made me start YouTube, by the way.
Ew.
They know this already, but these are like people that probably just joined my channel. She literally opened my YouTube channel for me. So if she hadn't opened it, then maybe I would have still started YouTube, or maybe later. Yeah, but like, I was so reluctant. I was so reluctant initially, but then this girl just carried my laptop in the office and just logged into YouTube and signed me up, and here we are. Yup, see her face very well. Kemari Dada, just in case I say Yemi, people know that this Yemi I'm talking about. Guys, I need to go. She has gone to bed now. This is 11 p.m. So
wow.
now me we no get 9 to 5 work. Now me feel they awake by this time.
Have you?
Yeah.
Yes.
I've been on the phone with Yemi we've been talking for like close to 2 hours.
3 hours.
Yeah, or if not more than 2 hours. And this is like the first time we're having we've not finished talking, no. So yeah, we have so much to talk about. I just wanted to quickly show you guys and then continue. So guys, we'll talk later. Bye. Hey guys, what's up guys? So today is a movie date. I have a movie date today with the one and only Shaq and Marine. Yes, Shaq and Marine of Shaq and Marine TV. But today they invited me for a movie date and that's where I'm headed. I just came on here to show you guys the outfit of the day. So it's just this, my cute black sandals with a black bag and of course a baggy, or I don't know what to call this jean, but it's really big, and then an oversized jacket with this top, this crop top I got from Shein. I'm really excited to hang out with these two people. Like, they're really nice people and I'm happy to be hanging out with them today. Okay guys, look,
What's good?
Marine, come here. Where you go?
I'm shy.
You are shy.
Yes.
Hi, Betha.
You just all okay. You just get okay.
Betha's corner, Shaq's corner.
No.
No, let me sing that song for you. Let's talk Bibi Naija. Let's talk Bibi Naija. Bibi Naija. Now that Marine part. Yeah, bo. Now that part, I always wait for. I said, I
want to enter essay very soon, so I'm trying to learn the language.
Oh yeah. What does Yebo mean? What does it mean?
They said it means yes. In South Africa, yes, it means yes.
Guys, we just got
we
here.
didn't even know what it meant when we started using it.
But it's really nice.
Yes,
I like
thank
it.
you.
Then the new one people did that. Shaq sang the entire song for us for the first 2 minutes of the video.
Which one?
I think
last video?
Yeah, I think in the last video he sang a song, like a full new different song
All the
entirely.
time.
Guys, we just got here.
So guys,
Look,
we're here to...
they gave me a gift.
I beg.
Guys, they actually got me a gift. I got here, like, I forgot my wallet.
Me shy. As a vlogger, this is
Why?
making me shy. I don't know. I'm just so shy.
See, vlogger. Just... Guys, let me tell you, I forgot my wallet at home. I was already on the way, and then the nonsense driver said he does not want transfer. So I had to now stop at somewhere around the Yano to like transfer to a POS. See, getting here was a struggle, but we're here now. Like, these guys had to wait for me for almost 1 hour. Is it up to 1 hour? Yes, almost 1 hour. It's not my fault, though. It's not my fault.
Do you know we just forgot that we have a movie to watch?
What time? We have a
We
movie
just
to
forgot that we
watch.
have a movie to watch. Like,
See, skin is skinny, mad, oh. See, camera.
I beg.
See. Camera, they fuck up. I say. Guys, what's up? I don't know why the front of my head they scratched me, but oh, I poured water on my hair. I literally just got back, guys, and I took a shower because the heat, the traffic, guys, no be here. Okay, so yeah, after our movie date, I actually went to a trade fair to get something for one of my big sisters. I'll be sending this over to her. So I got caught up in traffic. She also got me stuff. She got me stuff as well. Like, we got the exact same things I got for her. She got the same things for me. Like, she paid. It was not like I got for her, like I paid. She sent the money. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. But anyways, guys, I had so much fun today with Shaq and Marin. Guys, they are the best hosts. Like, I had so much fun. Like, I don't know. I was just really excited hanging out with them today. And they came bearing gifts. I think I showed you guys a bit of that while we were still at the mall and all of that. But guys, they got me this cute bag. Like, this is the cutest paper bag I've ever seen. It's so cute. Like, I'm literally going to keep this because I love it so much. Some things, I think we put drinks in it and it's looking wet, but I don't care. I don't care. I'm going to let it dry and I'm going to keep it. I really like it. I really do. Thank you so much. And guys, let me tell you, they have been meaning to hang out with me, I think after my birthday, and we've just not been able to do that. Okay. But we finally did that. Like, they had to wait for me to finish with my school and all of that. They were keeping tabs with me, which is very nice. Thank you so much. Especially Maureen. Thank you, Maureen. Yeah, they got me stuff. There's a card in it. Okay. It says it's a Merry Christmas card, but let me see if there's a note. There's a note, guys. I'm going to read this. This is for me. The note is for me, so I'm going to read that for myself. Thank you, guys. There's also this one. Though Christmas is not here yet, but we can break the rules if need be. I wish you a beautiful Christmas and a wonderful New Year ahead. Merry Christmas, B. Okay, so let's open this up. Let's see. Let's see. Oh. Guys, look. Oh, this is so cute. This is so cute. Thank you. See the way I'm sweating. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This means a lot to me. This means a lot to me. And the other gift, this one. Okay, let me open that up. Oh, okay, so I think this is from Marine and this is from Shaq. Okay, this is from Shaq. Oh. Everybody knows Betha loves perfumes, and it's Beguiled by Oma. Guys, I don't know, but I've been so obsessed with Ihoma. Yes, her name is Ihoma Eze. She owns this perfume line, and she recently even released another, like a newer brand, a newer scent. Yeah, that's the right word. And now I have this, like I have the Passion by Beguiled by Ihoma. Well, Oma. Okay, her name is Ihoma Eze. I watch her so much, like I follow her religiously. Now having a part of her just means a lot to me. Thank you so much, Shaq. This means a lot to me. Like, waiting remain now outing, not to wear the clothes when my sister just buy for me. Wear this one as a jewelry. Who perfume? I can't go. See, who is taking me out? Who is taking me out? Oh, thank you so much, Shaq. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, this is so cute. This is so cute, guys. This is really cute. Oh, this is really nice. This is really nice. Thank you so much, guys. Like, I wasn't expecting this at all. Thank you so much, guys. I had so much fun. And yes, we are going to hang out again. This time I will be the host. Okay. Yeah, thank you guys so much. I truly appreciate your love for me. I truly appreciate spending time with me. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much. I'm not buying. Okay, let's not lie. I'll still buy perfumes for myself. So I was going to say I'll not buy perfumes again, but that's a lie. Anyways, guys, I will talk to you guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Okay. Okay.